everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw these cute owls. Starting by drawing an oval shape for the head. In this oval I'm drawing a really shallow U shape, and then I'm joining them together by following the kind of shape of the first oval that we drew. And then I'm drawing two big circles for the eyes, and in each of these circles I'm going to draw one big circle and one little circle. I've then added eyelashes, and a little beak and eyebrows. I'm then drawing two leaf shapes, which are the kind of wings, and then I'm joining them together with a curve, and that's the body, and then inside I'm drawing the kind of belly area, and I'm adding some kind of frill shapes to add some texture, and then added feet. And then drawing a little owl next to it, and I'm following exactly the same process as the first one. Sit on a branch of a tree, so I'm drawing that branch in now. Underneath the branch I'm drawing a tail for each of them. Black fine liner, and I'm starting by outlining the eye. I'm following all the pencil lines, and then I'm going to go in with a black Sharpie to colour it in, leaving the two circles white. Pause this video now and go ahead and black line over all the pencil lines that we drew. Then use a rubber to rub out any of the pencil lines underneath. I'm using a pink Sharpie to colour in the first owl, and then using a lighter pink Sharpie to colour in the face and the belly. With the baby owl I'm using a light orange to colour in the main body area, and then I'm using a yellow to colour in the face and the belly. Using an orange to colour in the feet and the beaks. So with all the dark pink areas, I'm colouring on the left side of the face and the body and the tail. I'm then getting another pink to colour and shade on the lighter pink areas that we drew and coloured. I'm using an orange colour to shade the baby owl on all the orange parts that we drew, and then using a lighter orange I'll shade all the yellow parts. I've used a dark brown to shade in the branch. I've got white pen and I'm adding highlights to the right side of everything that we've coloured. And they're the finished owls. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!